Hello there beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while guys. So we're going to be making a green smoothie recipe for weight loss. This is very simple guys. Guys, it is recommended that you drink this very early in the morning on an empty stomach. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and introduce all the ingredients to you. This smoothie recipe is not only for losing weight, it's for general health also. So I have one medium-sized banana already chopped, a finger of ginger about this length, cleaned and chopped, one medium-sized carrot chopped, a handful of fresh spinach leaves, just about 1/8 of a medium-sized pineapple, some lemon. I'm going to be using the lemon juice. You can substitute your lemon juice with lime juice. Alright guys, we're just going to combine all of this in the blender and blend. So this is my blender jar and I'm just going to put in my ginger, carrot, my spinach leaves, my chunks of pineapple, my banana. The last thing I'm going to do will be to squeeze in my lemon juice. So at this stage we're going to add a little bit of water and then blend. So guys, let's pour this into our glass jar. Just wow. Thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. Bye bye.